Wi-Fi and a guest laundry.
All right, so it's the morning of day 8. It seems like only a week ago I was walking into the wilderness, wide-eyed and bushy-tailed, totally naive, with no plan and no expectations, really. And so much has happened in such a short amount of time.
Ow! Oh my gosh!
This hurts. I'm going so slow. My knee hurts so bad. I'm so hungry. The encourager's wife just picked us up, and immediately as we were leaving, we got into a fender bender. Long story short, I'm temporarily bedridden with a lame knee. So it's going great. It's going great. It's only been a week. So much has happened. Wow. I can't believe this trail kicks your butt. It kicks your butt. And we came into this just pretty much totally unprepared. The only thing I really prepared was our packs. So thankfully, we're low on weight. Our packs are probably about 25 pounds each, like give or take a few pounds with food and water. Thank goodness for that. We are going to take a full 0 day today here at the Budget Inn in Hiawassee. Hopefully my knee can recover. I don't know what the issue is. We thought it was my meniscus, but we've been doing the physical therapy, like pull your knee out thing, and it's not popping. And then some other girl thought maybe it was my IT band, so I was using her bear canister to roll, Susie, I was using her bear canister to roll out my IT band, and that seemed to help. Everything seems to help very temporarily. And then, we walk way too far and it starts really hurting again. So I just think that I need some rest and that we need to just go a lot slower on the trail. We've been going way too fast to just start out of nowhere. I'm trying not to get discouraged. I'm definitely too stubborn because I am not wanting to quit at all. I don't see the reason to quit. We still have some tries left. And I really don't want to let Josh down. He says that I won't, but he's wanted to do this for years, and I really don't want to be the reason why that can't happen. It feels like, for us, it feels like now or never, like we just got married, we're young, we're gonna start having kids. We're totally free. Like, neither of us have a like full-on career or like real job, so this is just like the perfect time to do this. And it's not like, okay, so I keep saying we didn't prepare or anything like that, and it's like, okay, we did and we didn't, but it's not like we just jumped into this willy-nilly just because we wanted to. We have been talking about doing this since December, still not a very long time, and we prayed about this so much. And this was something that I had peace about. We both had peace about doing this. So I just don't, we don't know God's plan. And if his plan was for us to only be out here for 2 weeks, I'm going to be really disappointed. I am. And I just don't see how that's the plan, because I was in this for the long haul. I really am in it for the long haul, and I'm ready to go. God, I'm ready to go. I don't want to be stuck in bed with this knee, not being able to go out there on the trail and minister and talk to people. It's just definitely difficult. So just thank you for everyone who is praying for us and praying for my knee to heal, and everyone who has helped us along the way so far. That is something totally, I didn't expect the culture out on the trail. It's so different, and you never know who's gonna come back around. Like, you meet someone for 5 seconds, and then the next day they're your best friend, your doctor, taking you into town and getting you everything that you need just because. And that keeps happening. The trail it's really an instant community because we are all striving for the same goal, whether you're going 10 miles, 300 miles, or trying to make it to Maine. Everyone knows that this is difficult, and we are all here to help one another. And that's been so much fun, and that's what we were looking for. That's part of the reason we decided to come out here. And, you know, that has more than delivered. And with all things considered, everything that's happened, we're having so much fun. Like, I really do love this. That's why I want to get back out there so bad. I freaking love it. I love being outside all day. I love the people. I love the mystery and the adventure. I love waking up outside. I love being outside. Please, God. I'm literally begging him. I'm literally begging. But I'm also thanking. I am. He's gotten us this far. He's gotten us very far. We're very far. So I'm just trying to be patient and figure out whatever lesson this is, or I don't know. I'm just trying to be patient against my own self.
This is a chore.
A chore. I'm bedridden. I can't cook for us. What did you say the other day when I was cooking for you after that long?
I told you, Tatiana.
That long day. What did you say?
I didn't change my mind about it. Cooking is cringe.
No.
Yes, it is.
Sitting there after a long day of hiking and I'm making some hot food. What does Josh say? Cringe. This is gourmet.
It is. I can't walk, but I'll do it for you.
Oh, thanks, babe.
Just kidding, I feel great. Oh, okay. Let's get some of these Johnsons in here. We cook on the floor.
That's how clean the budget inn is.
Yeah, we could eat right off the floor here.
Yeah, it's that clean.
Minus like all of this dirt.
From us. It's from
It
us.
came from us, yes, that was our fault.
Thank you. I'm sick in bed.
What are you eating, Tatiana?
Joshua's special ramen in a pot that had ants in it this morning. With a half-cooked egg in it.
I think you mean 2 half-cooked eggs.
2 half-cooked eggs. Well, the other one might be fully cooked, but one of them is definitely half-cooked.
Delicious.
It's delicious. The eggs are saving my life, honestly. They're like actually saving my life. Thank you. Josh went out once again. He is getting some Domino's. But I'm from New Jersey. I know what good pizza is. I know it's not Domino's. I don't know if I've ever had Domino's in my life, honestly. So this is going to be quite the experience. But it was the closest thing. His knee still hurts, and we can't walk to the country kitchen today. Unfortunately, I'm being really good, and I'm staying in bed with my leg elevated. I don't want to ruin an entire through hike to get chicken and dumplings. As much as I want to do that in the temporary short term, in the long term, would that be the smartest thing? Probably not. So we're going to take another day off tomorrow to really make sure that we're healing. And maybe tomorrow I will be allowed to go to the country kitchen and see if they have the chicken and dumplings. The mac and cheese, the chili mac and cheese last time was really good and everything, but I have been craving those chicken and dumplings. I've never had anything like that in my life. Once again, I'm from New Jersey. We don't have chicken and dumplings there. I don't even know what that is. I just know that my mouth is watering right now as I'm talking about it. And I was watching all the videos of me saying for the past 2 days that I want the chicken and dumplings, and I still want them. It's like a chip. Why is it so tiny?
Like, look at this.
I call that beef.
A pepperoni. A pepperoni.
Oh my, that looks like a straight up carcinogen.
No, Tatiana, it's actually garlic butter.
I've never seen anything that color before.
Ingredients: soybean oil. No.
You get what you pay for.
$12.
Dear God, please bless this food to our bodies and magically change its chemicals so that they are healthy. All right.
Get the little one.
I'll try this soy oil. That might be a little bit much for me. You should try it. I hate
They didn't
this.
look like the most.
Oh man. How are they in business? Is it a front or is it just people like us who are really cheap?
People like us. This too sucks. This too sucks. Oh. Okay, let's break up some of this stuff. Because we don't have a choice.
Yeah, I dug you into a hole. Ooh, wow.
Isn't this game just so satisfying? Yes. Perfect. Oh shoot, what if I get that like scabies crap? Not scabies, what's it called?
Scabies?
The red stuff on your skin from the sun.
Oh, eczema.
Eczema.
Scabies.
Scabies. What is scabies again?
I have no idea. Is it like a weird bug or something?
Not scabies with an STD.
I have no
scabies
idea.
is it's also a red rash, but I think it's from bug bites. So maybe it is a little bug. Maybe it is
but it's like a rash.
Scabies.
Well, all that said, all I wanted to do is do a quick update.
Now you get to learn about that.
Yeah, so now you can see how uninformed we are on all these things, which you've probably seen a lot of in this little video series so far, honestly. Okay, so we're limping our way to the country kitchen. Josh's knee is much better. We've been going insane. It's literally what, like 6 o'clock? I've been inside since yesterday morning. I didn't even leave the hotel yesterday, or motel or whatever. So this is like really nice. It's just really nice to be outside. We were kind of going insane and I had no motivation to film or do anything. So I just took some time off. My knee's feeling better, but I'm hesitant. I know that it's still totally not okay. It feels really weak. So I'm not sure what's going on at all. Everyone's telling me different things. I have no idea what's going on. Funny story though, when I was doing laundry, I went into the laundry room and guess who I see? Someone I never thought I would ever see again. The Wizard. The Wizard. And it took him a second to recognize me. Took him a second, but he finally got it. And he doesn't know anyone's name except for their trail names. So it was funny. He remembered, he said, say hi to 22.
Oh, Wizard.
And then...
I'm surprised he remembers anything.
I know, honestly. That guy smokes so much.
He was on shrooms when he met us.
Yeah, he was on shrooms when he met us. She kept saying they weren't working. Dude, I don't know. I don't know anything that's going on right now. All I know is we're gonna go get some dinner.
Hot dogs are considered a sandwich. Country dogs. 2 hot dogs with a choice of homemade chili and slaw. Look at that.
Huh.
It's a sandwich.
Here we go again. 3rd time's a charm. All right, so we got some country kitchen. Sorry, we got some country kitchen in our bellies, and we gave Mom a call, and we kind of reevaluated our plan here because, I mean, maybe you can tell by my crazy gait here,
Wobble.
but yeah, my wobble, my hobble. My knee is just not better. It's not better, and it's not getting better. And rather than sit in a motel room or give up and go home and do who the heck knows what, Josh had an awesome idea that we, for the next week, 2 weeks, or however long, can go back and we could be trail angels there and continue the ministry. And hopefully give my knee some time to heal, and then maybe start walking again and see how far we can get. So our Appalachian adventure is going to get a little different from here on out. But at least we have figured something out, because I don't know, I don't want to go home. I love home, but I don't want to go there. Well, here's all of our food for us and for others. Our first day we met Grandpa Angel, and he was trail angeling as his ministry. So we're thinking maybe we could give that a try for us for the short term. It's a good thing I'm not going to hell, because I'm sure this is what it would look like. I'm sorry for being so ungrateful.
Wi-Fi and a guest laundry.